Hi Dr. Adi, my name is Dei You Song and I'll explaining how I've done my filter in this AI Spark Studio. So first of all, we have to smooth my skin. So by selecting a face tracker, adding an object which is called face mesh, and then add a material for it. And from the material, choose the shader type as retouching with 50% of skin smoothing. Don't forget to rename the material. Okay, so for the second element, which is the cat scratch that will appear on my face, I have to download a picture of a complete cat scratch from the internet, and then we have to move it by selecting it and then move it to the face mesh tracker that's already provided by AI Spark Studio to position the face scratch onto the face of a person beautifully. So something like this will do. And then we have to remove the layer 1. After that, we try to erase the cat scratch a little by little to produce a series of pictures. I plan to do about 15 pictures of this cat scratch to have a smooth animation. So once I erase it a little bit, I can save this by exporting as PNG into file. So as you can see, this is the 15 pictures of cat scratch that I erased it a little by little bit from the G15 AC. This is a complete cat scratch to nothing like G1. So the next thing to do is try to import the 15 pictures of the cat scratch previously by adding a new object, face mesh, and new materials. Don't forget to rename the material. And then for the texture, choose new animation sequence and choose the file. Select all the pictures and then open it. So as you can see, the face scratch is already appear on my face. The next thing to do is to import another element, which I call it as cat fighting, which basically is two cats fighting that I plan to position it on my cheek. So well, for this material, I obtain it from the internet, which is available on internet. So first we have to add an object, face mesh, and a material, and rename the material as cat. And choose the animation sequence, choose the file, select all the pictures, and then for the cat fighting, we have to change the shader type to maybe try something like flat. And then after that, we have to position it. So this is how I position the cat. So we have to reduce the scale. Move it a little bit forward. Maybe it's not small enough, then we make it even smaller. Okay, I think this is okay. okay, then move it to my left chin, sorry, to my left cheek. And then here it is, but we have to duplicate this face mesh to create another pair of it. How about add a new face mesh, add the KIB material, and do the same thing about it. Move a bit forward. And there you go. We have two pairs of cats fighting on my cheek. So the next thing to do is to insert a patch editor. I will prevent the patch editor to use something like when I blink, the cat scratch will appear. So when I don't blink, the cat scratch won't appear, or it will stop the cat scratch if it disappears. So first we have to insert the face finder patch and then select the face, and whenever I blink my eyes with 0.1 second of delay, the switch will either turn on or turn off, which is connected to the grid. And then the face mesh one, which is the cat scratch, will be either visible or not visible. So we have to give the instruction, and this patch is basically will be showing the person to blink their eyes. So this is the result of my filter. Whenever I blink my eyes, the cat scratch will appear. Whenever when I blink it again, the cat scratch will disappear. And after that, I export this filter to Instagram by selecting publish. And that's all for my assignment video. Thank you.